Today I am going to deal with this CBSE. This is a maths paper. CBSE. This is maths paper, class 12. Class 12 maths paper 2025. This is CBSE maths paper, class 12, 2025. I am going to deal. I am not going to do the whole paper. I am going to deal with some of the problems which are little bit critical. But the paper was easy. Yet I am going to deal only some of the problems which are little bit critical, but they are actually not. You can say they are not critical, but yet I am going to deal with it. The first question is this. So your fx is given log 1 plus ax plus log 1 minus bx by x and for x not equal to 0 and k for x is equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0, then you have to find the value of k. So because it is stated here that it is continuous at x is equal to 0, so let us take the limit at x is tends to 0, that is log 1 plus ax plus log 1 minus bx by x. I am taking the easiest method, that I am going to take the else hospital rules. I am going to use the L hospitals rule. So here I differentiate the upper numerator and the denominator. So what is the result? Let us see. Tends to 0. When we differentiate it, this will be 1 by 1 plus ax into a plus 1 by 1 minus bx minus b. Because here this will be chain rule. So this will be chain rule, and the denominator differentiation of x will be 1. So here you see that uh, uh, you differentiate the numerator. Here this will be chain rule, and the result will be a by 1 plus ax, and here this will be minus b by 1 plus bx. Now if you take x is equal to 0, the result will be a minus b, and because it is continuous at x is equal to 0, what does this mean? This means that your left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, and this is equal to at x is equal to 0. These are all equals. So the value of k will be a minus b. See, I have taken the easiest method. I have used the else hospitals rule, and so here you differentiate the numerator and the denominator. The result is your this, and you remove the limit, then you get a minus b. So this is your answer. Now my next question is, if y is equal to a cos log x and b is equal to plus b sine log x, then you have to find the value of x square y2 plus x y1 is. This is CBSE class 12 maths. So I have only selected some of the questions. I am not going to deal with the whole paper because the paper was easy. I have taken only some of the problems which are, it might be lengthy, or it has some little bit of critical. So here x2 means second derivative, x1 means first derivative. So your first derivative, this will be chain rule, that is minus a sine log x by x, and here this will be b cos log x by x. Here this is chain rule, here this is chain rule. This is your first derivative. Now your second derivative, see y2. Here this will be quotient rule. So let me take minus a common here. Differentiation of the numerator, sin x log x into denominator minus differentiation of the denominator into numerator sine log x. And again here this will be b differentiation of the numerator cos log x, differentiation of the numerator into denominator minus differentiation of the denominator into numerator by denominator square, and here also by denominator square. So differentiation of numerator into denominator minus differentiation of denominator into numerator by numerator square. Similar differentiation, and this everything is correct. Now see, let us see what is the value of y2 minus a. Here again there will be chain rule. So this is cos log x by x into x minus this is 1 sine log x by x square plus b, and this will be minus sine chain rule again log x by x into x, and minus this is 1 cos log x by x square. So here you see x cancels out, so your result will be minus a cos log x minus sine log x by x square, and this will be plus b, again the same, minus sine log x minus cos log x by x square. So this is the result. Now I am going to place the value of y2 and y1 in this equation. So y2 when I place x square, this cancels out. So your remaining will be minus a cos log x plus a sine log x, and this will be minus b sine log x, and this will be minus b cos log x. And now x into y1, your x, this x cancels out, so result will be minus a sine log x plus b cos log x. So now this is your result, as I have just placed the value of x2 and x1, y2 and y1. I have just placed the value of y2 and y1 here. So you find here that, let us see if anything cancels out. So you see that this minus a sine log x plus and minus this cancels out, again b cos log x, and this cancels out, and if you take minus common, so this will be a cos log x plus b sine log x, and now you see that this value is this y. See, this value is y, so your result is minus y. So here your result is x square y2 plus x y1 is equal to x square y2 plus x y1. So your result is here y2 plus x y1. Your result is minus 1. This is your answer. Now my next question is sec inverse minus root 2 minus tan inverse 1 by root 3 is equal to, so this will be pi minus sec inverse root 2, and this will be minus tan inverse 1 by root 3. So this will be cos 45, so this will be minus pi by 4, and this is 60 10 30 degree. 10 30 degree is your pi by 6. 10 30 degree is your 1 by root 3, that is 30 pi by 6. So now your this LCM 6 4 LCM will be 2 3 2 6 to the 12. Your LCM will be 12. 12 pi minus 3 pi minus 2 pi. So 12 pi minus 5 pi, this will be how much? 7 pi by 12. So this is your answer. Now my next question is tan inverse x square minus y square is equal to a, where a is a constant. You have to find the dy by dx. It is very easy. See, tan inverse x square minus y square is equal to a. So where a is a constant, so x square minus y square is equal to tan a. So you differentiate it, 2x minus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So this will be y dx is equal to x. So your dy by dx will be x by y. So this is your answer. Now my next question is this integration x plus 5 by x plus 6 the whole square e to the power of x dx is equal to. So to solve this, just a simple adjustment, 5 plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 6 the whole square e to the power of x dx. So this will be how much? X plus 6 minus 1 by x plus 6 the whole square e to the power of x dx. So this will be x plus 6, this will be e to the power of x by x plus 6 dx minus e to the power of x by x plus 6 the whole square dx. Now you just keep this aside. Only I am going to integrate this one by parts. So I L A T E. So here your algebra first function and exponential will be the second function. So 1 by x plus 6 integration e to the power of x dx minus integration differentiation of first function x plus 6 to the power of minus 1 integration e to the power of x dx closed dx. So here this will be e to the power of x by x plus 6 minus this will be minus 1 uh, x plus 6 minus 2 e to the power of x dx. So this will come out to be e to the power of x, x plus 6 plus e to the power of x by x plus 6 the whole square dx. So this part only I have integrated only this part, but this part is left here, e to the power of x, x plus 6 the whole square dx minus integration e to the power of x, x plus 6 the whole square dx minus e to the power of x dx by x plus 6 the whole square. So these two cancels out. So your result will be e to the power of x, x plus 6 plus c. So this is your answer. My next question is, at test x is equal to 3 bracket x square plus 2x minus 4 by x cube plus 5, we have to find f1 is equal to 0. This is an easy question. F dash x means dy by dx. So this is equal to 3 x square plus 2x minus 4 by x cube plus 5. So dy is equal to 3x square plus 6x minus 4 x to the power of minus 3 dx plus 5 dx. Now I am going to integrate it. Dy, this will be 3x square dx plus 6x dx minus 4x to the power of minus 3 dx plus integration of 5 dx. So this will be y is equal to 3 x cubed by 3 plus 6 x square by 2 minus 4 x to the power of minus 2 by minus 2 plus 5x plus c. So here this will be y is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 2x to the power of minus 2 plus 5x plus c. So this y means it is fx. So f1 1 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus c. So this is 11. So this is 0. 11 plus c minus 11 is equal to c. So your result is fx. Your fx will be fx. This will be x cube plus 3x square plus 2x to the power of minus 2 plus 5x minus 11. So this is your answer. Now my next question is differentiate this with respect to this. So y, you have to differentiate it. This is e to the power of root 2x to the whole power half. When you differentiate it with respect to this, your result will be half e to the power of root 2x half minus 1 minus half. So this will be 1 by 2 root e to the power of root 2x. So this is your answer. This is your answer. Now next question, find the domain of sine inverse minus x square. Your answer is a simple question, minus 1 to 1. So this answer is this. Determine the values of x for which fx is equal to 2 by x minus 5 is increasing or decreasing. Just you differentiate it. So this will be minus 2 by x square. So here you see that your x square is always greater than 0. So this is negative, so this is less than 0. So it is decreasing. F dash is less than 0, so it is decreasing for all values of x except x is equal to 0. It is decreasing for all values of x except, because f dash x is a negative. Here you see x square is anytime positive, so this is less than 0. So it is decreasing for all values of x. Now my next question, find the distance of this point from this line. The figure is somewhat like this. This is your line, is your equation of this line. It is x plus 5 by 1 is equal to y plus 3 by 4 z minus 6 by minus 9, and this point P is 2 4 minus 1. This is perpendicular. Distance means perpendicular. So first of all, x plus 5 by 1 is equal to y plus 3 by 4 is equal to z minus 6 by minus 9 is equal to k. So your x will be k minus 5, y will be 4 k minus 3, and your z will be minus 9 plus 6. So the coordinates of this point will be k minus 5, 4k minus 3 and 9k. Minus 9k plus 6. This will be the coordinates of this point. Now the direction ratios, direction ratios ratios of PL will be how much? This minus this, this minus this, k minus 7, this minus this. Next will be 4k minus 7, and then this will be minus 9k minus 7. So this minus 1. So 9k plus 7. So your directions ratios will be this minus this, and this minus this. Directions ratios of line will be this. And the directions ratios of this is 1, 4 and minus 7. Because they are perpendicular, so your 1 into k minus 7. Because they are perpendicular, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 will be 0. So this will be 4 into 4k minus 7 plus minus 9 into minus 9k plus 7 will be equal to 0. So this will be k minus 7 plus 16k minus 28 plus 81k minus 63 will be equal to 0. Now here 81 plus 16 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 98. 98k and here this is 63, 28, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 98. Minus 98 is equal to 0, so k is equal to 1. So when your value of k is 1, so the coordinates will be minus 4, 4 minus 3, 1, minus 9 plus 6, 3. So your distance, PL distance will be root over this x2 minus x1, 2 minus minus 4, that is 6 square, 4 minus 1, that is 3 square, minus minus 3, that is minus minus 3, minus 3, that is minus 4 square. So this will be 36 plus 9 plus 4 for the 16. So this comes out to be how much? 36. 36 is a 36. 4 minus 2 minus 6. 4 minus 1 3 minus 4. So this comes out to be 36 plus 16. This will be 2. 4 52 plus 9. This will be 9. 9 1 61. Here you see this is minus 3. Minus 9 plus 6, it is minus 3. So minus 1, minus 1 minus plus, so this will be 2 square. 2 square. So this will be 4. This comes out to be 49. So this 7 is your answer. 7 is your answer. Now my next question is differentiate this with respect to x. So y is equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. So let us take x is equal to sine theta. Now here this x is given as greater than equal to minus half, less than equal to half. So theta is greater than equal to minus half, means minus pi by 4 less than no, pi by 4, now it is sine 30 degree, pi by 6, pi by 6, 30 degree is half. So 2 theta will be equal to minus pi by 2 less than equal to not 2, 3 theta, because it will be 3 minus pi by 2 less than equal to 3 theta less than equal to pi by 2. This therefore range of the range of sine inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. It is within the range. So now when we place this, so y will be equal to sine inverse 3 sine theta minus this will be sine 3 theta. So y will be equal to 3 theta. So y will be equal to 3 sine inverse x. So dy by dx, this will be 3 by root over 1 minus x square. So this is your answer. So this is the questions were very easy, and I think so most of them will able to square 100 out of 100, but I have selected some of them which they were actually not hard, but I have selected, it was little bit of concept, little bit of, it was little bit hard, so I have selected some of these questions and I have solved it for you.